Hello everybody and welcome back to the Eco Plush for You YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing some stickers from Teresa's sticker show on Whatnot. Now she usually does these shows on Sundays and they are Sunday sticker shows and they're just really fun. Everybody loves stickers and plus there's all kinds of different themes. I'm a sucker for a theme. Alright, so I'm just going to cut the top off of this. Yay! Alright, and of course these are packaged really well. It's got a nice bubble envelope here to keep my precious stickers in check. And she left a really nice note for me in here along with my packing slip, which I always appreciate receiving. And then here you can see that they're wrapped really nicely. The stickers are right here. And there is a nice thank you for your order sticker as well. Right in the middle, it looks really nice. See, it's those little touches. Those are the things I need to get better at. My packaging is pretty much just like, I mean, I wrap it. If it's something glass, I wrap it. But, you know, I just kind of like, yeah. I need some more stickers and cards and stuff. Oh, and the Hun sticker. Okay, this is the Hun sticker she was talking about in the note. Isn't this funny? You're screwed, Hun. The crystal ball says. I can't say I'm surprised. Pretty typical, but I love that one. Because you guys know I like the voodoo and the witchcraft stuff too, and so that's super fun. I love those. Those are so fun. Okay, of course, Hello Kitty. And by the way, I got these in her last Sunday show. Alright, and I got them actually maybe like 2 days ago? 3 days? I don't know, 2 days ago? It was 2 days ago. So she's a really fast shipper as well. Which is always a plus, right? Because everybody usually can't wait to get their stuff in the mail. If you're anything like me. I'm going to put these together. So what these are, I ended up buying 2 sticker bundles, and then she gave me a couple free stickers as well, which are my Rainbow Dash stickers and my Hun sticker, which is so cute. So those are ponies. Oh my gosh, aren't they cute, guys? Look at that. Who didn't love Sanrio? Probably dating myself a little bit here, but that's okay. I really don't care. This was a good time to grow up, you know? I'm starting to sound like, oh my gosh, they used to have to walk 80 miles in the snow. I can't believe they don't have a Blockbuster anymore. I know I'm sounding like really... Because my grandparents used to do that stuff, and I'm like, give it a rest. Of course, I would never say that. I love my grandparents, and I would never say that to them. But yeah, I'm just like, we know. And then here I am sounding exactly like that. But it was a good time to grow up, and look how cute these guys are. Like, she always has the cutest stickers. She always has the cutest things. So... Alright, and we're going to zoom in on these for a minute, but before we do that, I am going to give you guys all of her store information. So let's meet the seller. Go through her shop. She is also a very talented artist and makes a lot of different things, macrame. Her trees of life are really amazing, and I recommend everyone to have one. They're absolutely beautiful. And then there are lots of other projects as well. She makes animals, plant holders, which are really nice. And then of course, you know, she has your standard fare like clothing and jewelry and different items like that. But look at all that. So many fun things. And let's just check and see when the next show is going to be. And it looks like that is going to be tomorrow. So you guys be sure to check it out tomorrow and see what time it is going to be your time. It looks like it's going to be 7 p.m. Eastern. Alright, so we're doing our close-up as promised, and aren't they cute? So you guys be sure to follow her on all the places, and I hope to see you guys at the Sunday sticker show.